Hey, how's it going? It's Sam Frost here, back with some more digital marketing advice. Now today's video is a really short one. All I want to do is just give you a quick tip if you're stuck for content ideas, and that's using Facebook groups and to a lesser extent LinkedIn groups. So go on Facebook and find groups that are relevant to your business or your target customers. So for example, if you sell a product that's aimed at tradies, maybe electricians or plumbers, find groups that are for electricians or plumbers or tradies. Join those groups, make sure you're willing to comply with the group rules if there are any stipulated, and then get in those groups and start reading through the topics that people are asking. You'll probably find that with a bit of monitoring and a bit of sort of legwork, you'll be able to research some really good content topics. It's real people in your target audience asking questions, and you can use that then to come up with good content ideas. When I'm stuck for content ideas, I think this is one of the best places I find to turn. There are Facebook groups that I'm part of where I see the same kinds of questions come up time and time again, and then I can basically create content that answers those questions. Now, as an aside to this, you could then go and promote that content in that group. So, post a reply, to someone who's asked a question with a link to your blog post or YouTube video or whatever. If you are going to do this, be a bit careful because people don't like their groups being spammed, but you might be fine as long as you approach it in a diligent fashion. But really the purpose here is more to say this is a good way to come up with content ideas. So yeah, if you're stuck for content, think a little bit outside the box. Find communities of people. The same thing could apply with forums, for example. Find communities of people who, in your industry, who've got the problem you solve, who have the pain points you have the solution for. See what they're asking. Look for those themes. Look for those topics. Focus in on those. Answer the questions, and then start distributing that content. And I think you'll see really good results. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.